Get it, Uriah. Get it. Ooh, I saw something bad happening there. Get it, son.
Keep going.
You know what they say about that kids that do that? Well, they are knowns. I mean, Mellinger, really. It's actually what I should say. Freilich. You're silly. That's it. You're a maniac on the floor. Get it. One more time. Show the maniac dance. Now do. Now run in place. Yeah, you tired now? A little bit? You gonna sleep well tonight? You gonna be sleeping well tonight? You better be. Because you know what happens if you don't? The scary dinosaur will get you.